Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to make baby box out of cardboard. So let's get started. So draw a square shape and then cut it out. Join all the sides with glue gun and then you will have a square box. Use any color paper to cover this box. I use craft paper, which is white. For border I have cut out 1.5 inch wide foam board pieces. Then stick them with glue dot. After that I have added pink and blue color paper strip. So it looks something like this. After that I am going to decorate with some balloon. In order to make it stand, I have used some object underneath. Inflate balloon to different sizes and make cluster. I have already done the tutorial, so you can see link in description box below. Simply I am placing the cluster behind the gap. Here I am adding some 5-inch cord. So repeat the same step with other balloon color. If you see any gap, you can fill with cord or cluster, small cluster. Lastly, I added some 18-inch balloon with glue dot. And there you have it. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.